Ikasabay pa ng palatak yung ganyong kamay. Ay! Tatawag ka! Palatak!
It's a mountainous region. I think that's the inspiration of the cover. I think
Kasabay ng close open yung palatak niya.
this I think is one of the best openings that we
Naku, pumapalatak pa yun.
I mean, very innovative, very creative. There's a very there's the signal. But anyway,
Galing nga. Wow, 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 wow. Yuck!
149. You remind
Sis, sabi mo, yuck!
me of my and because of that,
Sinubo na yung kamay. Yuck! Yuck! Sis, yuck! Sige, palatak. Hey, yuck!
abangan natin pa.
Sige, ikutin mo yung buong crib.
Alright, Team Ambit, nung first impression ko sa inyo, kala ko, sinig pa namin yung concept.
Sid.
Yung mga ganyan kasuot,
Sid.
yung pag lalaki ka mag-isa sa gabi, tapos kung makita kang ganyan grupo naman, medyo
Ako, lumok muna.
Pero, nung nakita ko, bumagay naman dun sa concept nyo, climbing naman. Susunod nyo. Another thing that I like with it,
Lay down na, lay down, baby. Lay down.
I needed that, so thank you. And also, kulang lang sa polishing yung dance to
Beautiful eye.
May parang konti, pero maganda yung energy.
Honey, beautiful eye.
So guys, good job.
Beautiful eyes daw. Beautiful eye. Beautiful eye. Honey, beautiful eye. Ha? Beautiful eye. Ikaw na lady mo. Aray ko, nanay!
In all fairness, ito naman, tanongin natin, Tuesday.